Today we're making serrano and onion pepper chicken breast. So in that bowl I have about 2 chicken breasts chopped up, and I season it with Mrs. Dash table blend. That's a salt-free seasoning. Paprika. Next we have cayenne pepper. Then we have onion powder. Then after onion powder, I season it with garlic powder. After the garlic powder, I put a little bit of black pepper. After the black pepper, I use some of the Creole seasoning by Tony. And then after that, I put a little bit of light sodium soy sauce. So this doesn't have a whole lot of sodium in it. Most of the seasonings are salt free, so you don't have to worry about a lot of sodium. And you want to let this marinate for 24 hours. Alright guys, here are the serrano peppers. I use 4. And I think I used too much because this chicken was pretty spicy, but you can use however many you want. You can use jalapeno peppers if you want to as well. But next time I think I'm just going to maybe use 1 or 2 because I only use 2 chicken breasts and I don't want it to be that spicy. But you can always take some out. You don't have to eat all the peppers. So that's an option you have as well if the spice is too great for you. Alright guys, here are the peppers and onions chopped up. I actually forgot to record me chopping the onions, but you can chop them however you want, as big as you want, as small as you want, and if you have extra, just put them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them. Alright guys, so after 24 hours of marinating chicken breast, you can see that all the seasonings and soy sauce has soaked into it. Now it's loaded with flavor. Hey guys, now I have my pan ready and I have some non-stick canola oil spray. You can use non-stick butter spray, olive oil spray, or canola. It doesn't matter. Avocado, it doesn't matter. You just need some type of non-stick spray. Okay guys, so after applying my spray to my pan, I threw my chicken breast in, and then I let it cook on one side. And since I'm not working with a whole lot of small pieces of chicken breast, what I'm trying to do here is flip every individual piece so that each side gets cooked evenly. It's very important that each side gets cooked evenly. So I'm taking the time to do that to make sure that everything is fully cooked through. One side isn't more burnt than the other. I'm not necessarily going to say burnt, but one side is not more charred than the other. So you always want to do that. You always want to take the time and flip your chicken as evenly as possible so that you can get the best cook on it. Okay guys, at this point the chicken is almost done. Now I'm applying some more spray because I'm about to throw the onions and peppers in. I threw them in this late because if I would have put them in earlier when the chicken was still kind of barely cooking, then they would have got too soft. And I don't like my onions and peppers too soft when I'm cooking chicken because then it feels all stringy like noodles. So let it cook a little bit, then throw your veggies in. Okay guys, after adding the onions and peppers in, I did cover the chicken breast to lock as much flavor in as possible and hold the moisture inside the chicken breast, because if you don't cover the chicken breast, then all of the moisture will go out and the chicken breast will be dry and nasty and you'll lose a lot of flavor. And I re-seasoned the chicken breast with all the seasoning that I marinated with because I wanted to make sure I locked in the flavor. Now when it comes to dark meat, you probably wouldn't have to do this because dark meat does hold water and flavor a lot better than white meat chicken breast does. So anytime you're cooking chicken breast, you just want to make sure you cover it to lock all the flavors in and just give it one more go around with all the seasonings that you marinated it with or seasoned it with before you started cooking. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Everything came out delicious. The peppers and the onions were just to my liking. The chicken breast was still soft and tender. Everything came out good. Now I'm not gonna lie, it was a little spicy for me, so I had to take some of the peppers out, but that's fine. Next time I won't add as many, and I might chop them up a different way just to mix it up. But this right here came out absolutely phenomenal. Alright guys, here's my taste test. I know I still need work at this commentary stuff, but I'm working on it. And be sure to subscribe to the channel because I will be doing a giveaway. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a camera. So make sure to watch the last video and subscribe to enter the giveaway. And you guys have a good one. God bless.